This recording will show how to self-register a user. This process allows a user who doesn't have a fixed account to initiate the process of creating one. Once this creation process is completed, then they can then go on to perform other actions within the system. So this process will simply collect a handful of user details, turn that into a self-registration request, and send that request on for approval by a department administrator. And once that approval has been made, then the user will be created. So let's step through the process. So this initial page is straightforward, shows the terms and conditions of the system. So you can read through these. Once you're happy with the details of these, you can click accept to accept the terms and conditions. And then you're presented with a set of fields to enter in your user details. So the first field, of course, is the email address. This is where we'll send email to communicate with users of the system, but it's also the login ID that will be used for the system. So the user we're creating is John Smith, and his email address is johnsmith@ac3.com.au. So his department then naturally is AC3, so we can leave that selection as it is. We'll enter his first name, his last name, we'll enter his business phone, his mobile phone number, we'll leave his after hours phone number blank, and John is an infrastructure administrator, so we'll enter his job title, and then enter a password that will be his user account password. Once we're happy with this, it's as simple as clicking the submit button to carry on, and that self-registration request will be lodged within the system. This process can take a few seconds, and once the final screen is displayed, the task should be flagged as being in progress. That is indicating that the task is subject to an approval, and the task won't be completed until that approval has been made.